Have you ever wondered about the nuts and bolts of science, the tools that make discovery possible? Ever pondered on the purpose of that peculiar-looking equipment in a laboratory? Welcome to a journey of discovery, not of the microscopic or the cosmic, but of the very tools that make such explorations possible. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of laboratory equipment, the unsung heroes of scientific discovery. Imagine the microscope, an instrument that allows us to peer into the unseen world of the microcosmic. This tool, with its series of lenses, magnifies tiny specimens into viewable proportions, revealing a world teeming with life and activity. From Antony van Leeuwenhoek's simple microscope of the 17th century to today's powerful electron microscopes, these tools have been pivotal in shaping our understanding of life itself. Next, consider the centrifuge, a device that spins samples at high speed. This rapid rotation creates a force known as centrifugal force, which separates mixtures based on their densities. Whether it's separating blood components for medical testing or precipitating DNA for genetic research, the centrifuge plays a critical role in laboratories around the world. Then, there's the autoclave, a pressure chamber used to sterilize equipment and supplies. By creating a high-pressure environment, the autoclave can heat steam to a temperature much higher than boiling water, effectively killing bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms to ensure a sterile laboratory environment. And who can forget the humble pipette? This simple tool is used to transport a measured volume of liquid. While it may seem mundane, the pipette is a cornerstone of accuracy in experiments, ensuring that measurements are consistent and results are reliable. Each of these pieces of equipment, whether complex or seemingly simple, serve a unique purpose in the laboratory. They are the silent facilitators of scientific discovery, each contributing in their own way to the advancement of knowledge. So, we've journeyed through the labyrinth of laboratory equipment, from microscopes to autoclaves. We've discovered the purpose and functionality of each piece and seen how they contribute to the grand tapestry of scientific exploration. These are not just tools, they are the vehicles of discovery, the physical manifestations of our quest for knowledge. They are the lenses through which we view the microcosmic, the mechanisms that separate the inseparable, and the guards that keep our laboratories sterile. In a nutshell, laboratory equipment is the unsung hero of science, facilitating the very discoveries that shape our world. So the next time you see a microscope or a pipette, remember, they're not just tools, they're the instruments of discovery.